Don't miss out on vital research insights shaping the future of peptide therapeutics. The global market is expanding rapidly, projected to reach $87.21 billion by 2035. Today, we're dissecting a compound generating significant buzz. Eli Lilly's investigational triple agonist, Retatrutide. Its unique mechanism of action holds immense potential for understanding metabolic regulation. Let's explore its advanced developmental trajectory and the rigorous analysis of its efficacy and safety profiles in ongoing studies. This information is critical for any serious research team. The global peptide therapeutics market is poised for significant expansion, projected to reach $87.21 billion by 2035. This growth reflects a robust 5.19% compound annual rate from 2026 to 2035, underscoring critical advancements. Growth is particularly strong in metabolic disorders, oncology, and neurology, highlighting diverse research applications. Against this backdrop, Eli Lilly's investigational triple agonist, Retatrutide, merits rigorous analytical scrutiny for its potential. It may redefine therapeutic paradigms in obesity and type 2 diabetes research, promising transformative impact. The search for more potent multimodal interventions is an urgent research necessity, driving innovation in peptides. Retatrutide, with its unique pharmacological profile, is positioned to meet this demand head-on. Retatrutide is a novel polypeptide, a triple agonist, simultaneously targeting multiple critical receptors. It targets the glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide GIP receptor, a key metabolic pathway. It also engages the glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1 receptor, well established in metabolic research. Crucially, it activates the glucagon receptor, a unique innovation beyond current investigational compounds. GLP-1 agonism enhances glucose-dependent insulin secretion, suppresses glucagon, and promotes satiety in studies. GIP agonism, especially with GLP-1, augments insulin secretion and influences adipose tissue metabolism. Glucagon receptor activation increases energy expenditure and may improve hepatic steatosis in research. The synergistic action aims for superior outcomes by modulating appetite, energy expenditure, and glucose homeostasis. Now let's delve into the core analysis, pipeline progression, and compelling efficacy data from studies. Retatrutide has progressed rapidly through its clinical development, building on promising Phase 2 data. That multi-pronged approach to metabolic regulation truly sets Retatrutide apart, showcasing precision pharmacology at its best. The preclinical and early clinical data are certainly compelling. But what does this mean in terms of tangible research outcomes? We're about to dive into the robust efficacy observations from its Phase 2 trials. Before we continue, remember to follow Peptides Today for the latest advancements, and find me, Sonia Rao, for deep dive analyses on the most impactful peptide research. Your insights depend on staying informed. Phase 2 trial results for Retatrutide, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, were compelling. Participants receiving the 12 mg weekly dose achieved an average weight reduction of 24.2%. This represented a placebo-adjusted difference of 21.8 percentage points over 48 weeks, a significant finding. This magnitude of weight loss surpasses observations with single GLP-1 agonists in research. 100% of participants on the 12 mg dose achieved at least 5% weight loss. Remarkably, 83% achieved at least 20% weight loss, indicating profound investigational effects. In terms of safety, Retatrutide exhibited a profile consistent with other incretin-based investigational therapies. Gastrointestinal events like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation were the most common. These events were predominantly mild to moderate and typically transient, often manageable with dose titration. Ongoing Phase 3 trials will confirm these efficacy and safety signals in larger study populations. The Synergy 1 trial, NCT 04881760, focuses on chronic weight management for up to 104 weeks. SURMOUNT and SUMMIT programs investigate its utility in type 2 diabetes research, analyzing HbA1c. The regulatory pathway for novel anti-obesity and anti-diabetic peptides is well defined yet demanding. Assuming positive Phase 3 outcomes, NDA submissions could commence in late 2025 or early 2026. Regulatory approvals in major markets could follow by late 2026 or 2027, given accelerated review. Retatrutide would enter a rapidly expanding, yet increasingly competitive research landscape. Its triple agonist MOA offers a distinct advantage, potentially securing significant market share. The short-term outlook for Retatrutide remains highly optimistic, contingent on successful Phase 3 trials. Its distinct triple agonist mechanism offers a significant advancement in pharmacological precision for metabolic dysregulation research. This compound has the potential to set new benchmarks. Follow my insights, Sonia Rao and Peptides Today, to stay ahead of the clinical curve. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.